You wake up, check your phone. Nothing strange happened overnight. And yet, you're poorer than you were yesterday. Not because you spent money, not because you were reckless, but because something quietly took a little piece of what you own. No bill, no receipt, no vote. Let's talk about the invisible tax you pay without the government asking. Right now, this matters more than it has in decades, because prices feel higher, savings feel weaker, and somehow, even when your income goes up, your life doesn't feel easier. That's not bad luck. That's a system at work. Imagine you earn 100 units of money. You don't touch it. You don't spend it. You just keep it safe. A year passes. On paper, you still have 100. But in reality, it now buys less food, less fuel, less time. No one came to collect anything from you, yet something was taken. That something is purchasing power. This is where the invisible tax lives. Unlike income tax, it doesn't show up on your payslip. Unlike sales tax, it's not added at the counter. It hides inside prices themselves. When the total amount of money in an economy grows faster than the things that money can buy, each unit becomes a little weaker. Not broken, just diluted. Like adding water to juice. You still have a full glass. It just doesn't taste the same. Now here's the part most people miss. This doesn't happen randomly, and it doesn't hurt everyone equally. New money always enters the system somewhere specific. Banks, governments, large institutions. They get to use it first, before prices adjust. By the time that money reaches you, prices have already moved. Rent is higher. Groceries cost more. Assets are more expensive. You didn't lose money. You lost timing. That delay is the tax. And it's quiet. In some years, it's small enough to ignore. 2%, 3%. Sounds harmless. But 2% every year cuts your money's power in half over a lifetime. Half. No dramatic crash. No headlines. Just slow erosion. Here's the irony. People are often blamed for not saving enough. But saving in cash inside this system is like storing ice in the sun and being surprised when it melts. So people chase protection. Real estate. Stocks. Anything that might outrun the dilution, which pushes prices even higher. The system rewards those who already own assets, and quietly punishes those who don't. That's the real divide. Not rich versus poor, but early versus late. And this is why it feels like the rules changed. Because they did. Decades ago, money was harder to create. Today, it's mostly numbers added to balance sheets. No printing presses. No trauma. Just keystrokes. Necessary in crises. Dangerous when normal. Because once people stop trusting money to hold value, they stop planning long term. They rush. They speculate. They take risks they wouldn't otherwise take. An economy built on patience turns into one built on urgency. And that's where instability begins. So here's the uncomfortable question. If money can quietly take value from everyone without asking, who is it really designed to serve? And how long can a system like that last before people notice the bill they were never shown?